Hey, have you ever imagined? If we wrote down all each other's secrets on paper and sold them, we'd probably be super rich.
Whether we'd get rich or not, I don't know, but I'd definitely have to change my name, change my face, and flee to another planet just to feel safe.
That sounds so serious. I thought your secrets were just sneaking snacks at midnight or something.
Hey, that's not a secret, that's my official nighttime survival strategy.
Yeah, surviving on bread and snacks? You midnight hero.
At least I'm honest. Unlike someone who swore, I never stalk anyone but stays online checking stories for 3 hours every night.
I was just doing sociological research, okay?
Research like seeing who posted stories with whom, where, what they wore, and what mood they're in, Professor.
Exactly. Extremely academic, complete with a whole thesis.
So, Professor Emma, what interesting things did you research this week?
I discovered a tiny little secret.
That already sounds scary.
Someone in our class has a crush on someone,
That's not exactly rare.
but this person is the type who never likes anyone. Everyone thinks that.
Wait, don't tell me.
That's right, it's you.
What? Hold on, I haven't said anything, okay.
Haha, but your actions have already exposed everything, no need for words.
What actions?
You smile way more than usual whenever that person shows up. With others, it's just a light, hey hey. But with them, it's a booming, ha ha, like fireworks.
Your analysis is so detailed. Are you a detective?
I even have living proof right here.
What proof?
You fixed your hair 3 times in 5 minutes when that person walked past the classroom.
That was because of the wind.
The classroom only has air conditioning. Is it the wind of love?
Oh man, I didn't expect you to notice that much.
I told you, I'm a professional researcher.
All right, if I have secrets, you must have some too.
Of course.
Spill it.
No,
Haha, hey, that's not fair.
if I tell my secret, it's no longer a secret.
Then I'll guess.
Go ahead. I like watching you dig your own grave.
You badmouthed someone and got caught?
Totally wrong.
You forgot homework and pretended to have amnesia?
That sounds more like you.
Yeah, fair enough.
Okay, I'll give you a little hint for fairness.
Go on.
My secret involves something really silly.
You accidentally texted the wrong person?
Not just texted wrong.
Called by mistake too?
Way worse than that.
Don't tell me. You sent a voice message?
And it was a 2-minute voice message, complaining about everything to the very person who received it.
No way.
And the recipient was exactly the person I was bad-mouthing.
Haha, I'm sorry, but I can't hold it in.
Laugh, go ahead and laugh all you want.
So what was their reaction?
They replied with just one single sentence.
What?
Thanks for sharing your honest feelings.
Oh my god, that hurts more than getting yelled at.
I wanted to bury myself right then and there.
So what happened when you two met after that?
I pretended like I never existed in this world.
Smart tactic.
But the bad part is, that person still acts completely normal, like nothing happened.
That's even scarier than getting scolded.
Exactly. It's like they're holding a bomb and waiting for it to explode.
I'm starting to think your secret is heavier than mine.
See? Don't underestimate the researcher.
But at least, did you learn anything from that?
Yeah.
What?
Never send a voice message when you're angry.
And,
Always check the recipient before hitting send.
and,
And accept that sometimes you're really dumb.
haha, finally some truth comes out.
Hey,
But honestly, after hearing that, I feel so much lighter.
why?
Because I thought my secret was the worst, but now seeing yours is even more tragic, I can comfort myself.
So now you feel like you're still okay?
Yeah, at least I haven't exposed myself like that.
There's still time. Life is long.
Don't jinx me.
That's life. Who knows what'll happen?
Okay, from now on, let's keep each other's secrets, alright?
Agreed. But with one condition.
What now?
If one of us does something stupid again, you have to tell the other right away.
Why?
Because I need more data for my sociological research.
I'm starting to doubt this friendship.
Too late. You've already signed the contract verbally.
Do I have the right to cancel?
No.
All right then. Get ready to hear more drama.
I'm always ready, and I'll bring popcorn too.
Speaking of drama, anything noteworthy from your week?
Of course! My week was like a comedy movie mixed with disaster. I felt like applauding myself after watching it.
Sounds intriguing. Tell me.
On Monday, I decided to turn my life around. Wake up early, eat a full breakfast, go to school on time.
And then?
I did wake up early, but then I lay there thinking about the meaning of life and fell back asleep.
A light plot twist right on the first day.
As a result, I woke up 30 minutes later than usual.
So the life turnaround failed right from the opening scene.
No, I still tried to salvage it. I ran out of the house with uncombed hair in a wild, natural style.
Was that the bird's nest hairstyle?
I thought you said, I don't care about appearance. I don't care, but there's a limit. It's not bird's nest level.
Okay, what next?
When I got to class, I thought I was safe, but no.
Don't tell me there was a pop quiz.
Exactly.
Oh no.
I sat there, looking at the questions like they were an alien language.
That feeling is too familiar.
But I had a strategy.
What?
Write really long, with lots of words.
That's not a strategy. That's pure desperation.
No, it's creating the impression of being hardworking.
For whom? The teacher or yourself?
At least I looked very diligent. The teacher might have cried from emotion after reading it.
From emotion or from disappointment?
Maybe both, or maybe laughing.
All right. Anything else?
On Wednesday, I decided to eat healthy.
Another dangerous decision.
I bought a salad.
Sounds fine.
But then, I bought bubble tea to balance the nutrition.
That's not balancing. That's ruining everything in the sweetest way.
Life needs joy.
And your joy is sugar with tons of toppings.
Exactly. Without toppings, the salad would be sad too.
I'm starting to understand why you can't turn your life around so easily.
Hey, don't say that. I'm still trying every day.
So what about Friday?
Friday was the peak of the comedy film.
Sounds dangerous.
I accidentally overheard two people arguing about who had seen the message without replying.
Oh, a classic youth topic.
But the special thing is, both of them were holding their phones, checking who's seen first.
I thought only one side was mad.
No, both were mad at each other for the same reason.
This is called perfect synchronized misunderstanding.
I was standing nearby, trying so hard not to laugh that my stomach hurt.
Did you intervene?
No, I'm a professional observer.
More sociological research?
That's right, research result. People get mad at each other so easily over tiny things.
And it's also very hard to apologize.
Exactly! In the end, they made up because one said, "Whatever, I'm too lazy to stay mad."
Haha, a very practical and philosophical way to resolve it.
I think that sentence deserves to be in the textbook.
Too lazy to be mad, the new life philosophy of the year.
I'm considering trying it out.
You? I thought you loved drama.
I like watching it, not participating. Watching other people's drama is way more fun.
But you still create drama for yourself a lot.
That's an occupational hazard for a researcher.
The profession of attracting trouble?
No, the profession of telling interesting stories.
Yeah, I admit your week wasn't boring at all.
What about you? Don't tell me your week was peaceful.
Peaceful. On the outside it was normal, but inside it was chaotic like a storm.
That sounds like a deep, deep status.
I also have a story.
What? Tell me.
It involves the person you mentioned earlier.
Oh, progress?
Not exactly.
Don't tell me you did something stupid.
Maybe.
Tell me right now.
I texted them.
That's normal.
But I wrote and deleted it about 10 times.
Were you writing a romance novel?
No, I just wanted that message to be perfect.
And what did you end up sending?
Hi.
Haha, 10 revisions. Just to send hi.
Don't laugh. I tried really hard.
What was their reply?
Hi.
Haha, a conversation full of depth and philosophy.
But after that, complete silence.
Classic.
I didn't know what to say next.
And you chose to say nothing at all?
Yeah,
I don't know whether to praise you for being brave or worry about your future.
I think I need to learn better communication skills.
No, you just need to overthink less.
Easier said than done.
But it's true. Well, at least you started a small step for mankind, but a huge step for you.
That sounds like a historical quote. Hope it doesn't end in disaster.
Don't worry, if it does, I'll have more content to listen to.
I don't know whether to be happy or scared.
Just prepare yourself.
With you around, I'm definitely never short on drama.
Exactly. Life needs some seasoning.
And you're the biggest jar of seasoning.
Thanks, I'll take that as a compliment.
I'm not sure it was a compliment.
Too late. I've decided to accept it.
Be honest. Have you ever been the source of a rumor?
Me? Never.
That sounds suspicious.
I just convey information, that's all.
With a little creative touch?
No, I call it interpreting for easier understanding.
For example?
For example, if someone says, I talked to them a bit, I just add that it was talked quite long and seemed close.
That's upgrading the content then.
No, that's clarifying the context so everyone can picture it better.
And then from talked a bit, it becomes those two must have something going on.
Well, sometimes.
You're the reason this world is both more complicated and more interesting.
But way more fun, too.
I can't argue with that.
What about you? Have you ever been caught in a rumor?
Yes, and it was really ridiculous.
Tell me about it.
Someone said I was dating.
Well, it's not impossible.
The problem is that person. I only talked to them once.
Once is still a beautiful start.
But in the rumor, we had been together for a month.
Wow, super fast progress, like a sped-up movie.
I hadn't even remembered their name clearly yet.
I think you need to improve your memory first.
It's not a memory issue, everything happened too fast, like fast forwarding. When I heard the rumor, I froze for about 5 seconds.
Then?
I asked myself, wait, did I miss something?
Makes sense.
But the funny thing is, the other person also heard the rumor.
And?
We looked at each other, and both burst out laughing.
At least it wasn't awkward.
No, it was very awkward. After laughing, we didn't know what to say next.
Classic part 2.
I think rumors sometimes make things more uncomfortable.
True. Especially when it's not true.
But sometimes rumors make things more interesting too.
Oh, for example?
For example, if the rumor was partially true.
What are you hinting at?
Nothing.
No, there's clearly something.
I was just speaking generally.
You said something general, but your face looks very not general.
You're analyzing facial expressions now too?
That's a professional skill of the researcher.
I'm starting to feel really in danger.
All right, back to the main topic.
Rumors.
I think rumors are like the game of telephone.
Exactly.
It starts with a simple sentence.
And ends with a completely different story.
For example, he was late.
Becomes he was deliberately late to get attention.
And finally, he's having major drama, so that's why he acted like that.
Creativity with no limits.
I think if used well, it could be turned into a movie script.
Title, a message that was seen.
Sounds so dramatic.
Plot, two people mad at each other because no reply.
And ends with the line, I'm too lazy to be mad anymore.
A philosophical ending.
But honestly,
What?
sometimes I'm scared of rumors too.
You? I thought you liked them.
I like them when they're not about me,
Ah, I get it.
because when it's about you, you can't control it.
And the more you explain, the messier it gets.
Exactly.
So what's the best way?
Ignore it.
Sounds easy but hard to do.
But it's the only way not to get sucked into the vortex,
I think I'll try.
especially with your situation.
You still remember?
Of course.